Is it realistic to turn $100 into a big profit in binary options? I'm not here to say yes or no. I'm here to show you how I trade it. If you're interested, subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get started. So, we are now on the broker platform. Let's get started with trading. I got $100 on my balance, and that's the amount we'll be using to build up today's deposit. We'll be trading on a 1 minute time frame, and I have already selected and analyzed the currency pairs with the best volatility and payout percentages. Today, we are going over a pretty interesting strategy using the trend indicators, zigzag, and fractal with default settings and the MACD oscillator set to periods 5, 7, and 10. It's an interesting strategy and it needs to be used correctly. We'll be watching the volume displayed on the MACD histogram, also paying attention to the moving averages in this oscillator, and analyzing local price highs and lows. As we trade, you'll understand how to use this combination of indicators properly. We will also be using technical analysis today. So yeah, let's jump in and select our first currency pair. Are you struggling to set up trading indicators or just starting your trading journey but losing money? Join my trading team on Telegram today. I trade live with my subscribers every day, sharing all my trading signals. You can easily replicate them either manually or by connecting to my trading account, making the process seamless for everyone. I'm here to guide you, answer your questions, and provide step-by-step instructions on how to earn $20 to $500 daily. Click the link in the description to join my Telegram channel and message me for details on how to start. Spots are limited, so act quickly. It's completely free to join. In my channel, you can also check out my trading results and the income my traders are making. Message me now to get started. We will open this trade for an upward movement. It's a good contact point. The price movement isn't showing a strong, clear trend, so we are trading from local highs and lows. In this case, a local low has formed based on the fractal and zigzag. After this low, the price action is likely to shift direction. We are also seeing a crossover in the oscillator's moving average, and the MACD histogram shows strong downward volume. That's why we are opening a buy trade here. So let's watch how it plays out. And the trade closes in profits. Amazing result. We will now increase the trade size to the maximum and continue trading. Let's see what happens next and pick the next currency pair. Let's open a trade here for an upward movement. There is a good contact point here, and we also see a support zone. We got touches at two key points, the first one, then the second one. Now there's a breakout, and then we get a new local low based on fractal and zigzag, followed by a crossover of the MACD moving averages. So in this case, we are opening a buy trade, about 20 seconds left. So let's see how this one ends. And this trade also closes in profits. Amazing result. We'll change the trade size again, set it to the max. That was a solid entry point. So the trade closed without any issues. Let's continue and find the next setup. Oh my god, it's getting hot. Okay, so let's open a trade here for an upward move. A new local low has formed based on fractal and zigzag, and we see a good number of contact points here. Overall price could bounce back easily from this level. Like I said, we are also using technical analysis. There's a strong volatility here. So at this level, we can open a trade upwards. We are making this decision because the zigzag is updating, so let's watch how it plays out. And another trade closes in profit. We are lucky today. We will again update the trade size to the maximum and keep trading. As I said, it was a solid contact point. Let's pick the next currency pair. Right here, we open a trade immediately for an upward move. I'm 100% sure the upward momentum will continue. Let me explain why. We highlight the working area and we should see a breakout. We saw volume on the histogram, moving averages, average crossover, then a pullback and a new local low formed on fractal. But zigzag hasn't updated, meaning the next zigzag high will likely be higher. That's why we are opening a buy trade here. Let's see. And yes, just like I said, the trades confidently close in profit. Amazing. So let's update the trade size to the maximum again and open two trades of $581 each. Let's continue and find the next pair. We are opening two trades here for an upward move, going with an actual trend. We can see the global high is a few levels above, so that's why we are entering two upward trades after a slight pullback. I think near the end of these trades we will get the breakouts and they will close in profits. The moving averages haven't crossed yet, so let's watch the outcome. And both trades close in profits. Like I said, the breakouts happened right at the end and we close in profit. Okay, phew, let's keep going. Next pair, we will open two trades for $2,000 each. Okay, we're opening trades here for an upward move in line with the trend after a slight pullback. Clear signal here, we had a crossover on the MACD from below upward. Then we look at the price pullback, a new local low forms, and the movement should now shift upward. That's why we are opening buy trades here. Let's see how they perform. One trade breaks even and the other closes in profit. We got a bit unlucky there, but the signal was still correct. If we would open just 1 second later, both would have closed on profit. Let's wrap it up with final trades. We will open for $2,900. So, time to choose the last currency pair. We are opening 3 trades here for an upward move following the trend after pullback. So let's highlight the working zone. We had a crossover from below upwards. Then the movement should shift downwards, but we see strong downward volume due to the correction. And the new local low formed on fractal, and I think the next movement should go upwards. So let's see how the final trades end. I think the breakout should happen at the last moment, so let's see. Oh, yes, our final trades close in profit. Such an amazing result. It was a really tense moment. The breakout took a while, but it finally came. And we closed the last trades in profit. So lucky today. We started today's session with $100. And now the balance is nearly $5,600. It was a great session using this combination of indicators. Wow, just amazing results. So I'm finishing my trading here on these results. So if you want more signals to get such a result as we got today, you can always join my Telegram channel, which is in the link description below. Thank you for watching and good luck with your trades and amazing results to you.